Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Open your Google Play Store app on your Android device or tablet. Make sure you're logged into the Google account you want to use for your Disney Plus subscription. This is important because your payment method needs to be linked to this account. Step 2. Search for the Disney Plus app in the Google Play Store search bar at the top of the screen. Once you find it, tap on the official Disney Plus app, which should have the Disney logo next to it. Step 3. On the app's main page, you'll see a subscribe button. Tap it to start the subscription process. You'll be presented with different plan options like basic, standard, or premium depending on what's available in your region. Step 4. Choose your preferred Disney Plus plan. Review the monthly or annual pricing and what features come with each tier. Then tap the Continue button to proceed with your purchase through Google Play. Step 5. Confirm your payment method. Google Play will use whatever payment method you have saved in your account, whether that's a credit card, debit card, or Google Play Credit. Review the total amount you'll be charged and hit Confirm to complete your subscription. You're all set and your Disney Plus access should begin immediately.